So let's start. What we are discussing in the last class? Yes, what we were discussing in the last class? We were discussing about Mesopotamia. We will continue with that. So, Mesopotamia was age of civilization and age of empires. Where it was situated? Yes. Where it was situated?
So near Iraq, Iran, and Turkey.
Yes, present day Iraq. Mainly Kuwait, where the present day Kuwait is, in Iraq, and where the present day Syria is. And it is considered as one civilization, but it was not a one civilization. It was there were many people, many empires, and many people. There was Sumerian civilization in the you can say in lower part, and then there was Babylonian civilization, and then there was Assyrian civilization. This is the Mesopotamian region. Here, Sumerians were there, and Babylonians were there, and Assyrians were there. Babylonian civilization, Sumerian civilization, and Assyrian civilization. Which are these two rivers? Yes? ये कौन सी rivers हैं? Tigris and Euphrates. Yes? You can see the board? Yes, you can see the board?
Yes, sir.
And you can read what is written there. Yes? I suppose you
सर
can.
सारे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा?
So white board दिख नहीं रहा properly.
Okay. इसीलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैं पास कर दूँ उसे तो. Now? Now it is visible or not? Yes. It is visible now? Whiteboard is visible now? You can read what is written there? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as the diagram is drawn, in the bottom part, which is there? Which civilization is there? Sumerians. And
Sumerian.
yes, in the middle part, it is Babylonians, and in the upper part, it is Assyrian civilization. Geographical area roughly drawn hai ye, and you can see that they are overlapping. Geographical area is overlapping. Sometimes geographical area was overlapping. Geographical extent was overlapping. Sumerian civilization, between Sumerian civilization and Babylonian civilization, the geographical area was overlapping. And between Babylonian civilization and Assyrian civilization, the geographical area is overlapping. It's roughly drawn. And it is the geographical area. As we see about the time period. Time period also sometimes overlaps. Sometimes it was that कि Sumerian भी थे. देखिए सबसे पहले first there were Sumerians, then there were Babylonians, and there were Assyrians. Sumerians were mathematicians, architects. They had a good knowledge of astronomy and maths. Babylonian has that too. Babylonian were marvelous architects. कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीजें बनाई. The seven wonder underworld में they created hanging gardens. You must have heard. Hmm. They made architectural marvels. So sometimes the time period overlaps. What I mean by the overlapping of time period? Can you tell me? Yes. What I mean by overlapping of time period? Yes. Yes. Yes, Mugdha. What I mean by overlapping of time periods? Yes.
सर टू सिविलाइजेशंस एक टाइम पे एग्जिस्ट करती थी.
Yes. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि सुमेरियन थे और सुमेरियन खत्म हो गया तो बेबीलोनियंस आ गए और बेबीलोनियंस खत्म हो गया तो असीरियंस आ गए. कुछ टाइम बीच में इन्होंने ओवरलैप भी किया. अभी ये सिविलाइजेशन है क्योंकि देखिए ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया भी अलग था और कभी इन्होंने इनके ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया पे कब्जा कर लिया, कभी इन्होंने इनके ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया पे कब्जा कर लिया, कभी इन्होंने इनके ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया पे कब्जा कर लिया, कभी असीरियंस ने इनके ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया पे कब्जा कर लिया. तो ये चलता रहा. एज ऑफ इन्वेंशंस इसीलिए कहते हैं इन्वेंशंस, सॉरी एज ऑफ इन्वेंशंस एंड एज ऑफ एम्पायर्स इसीलिए कहते हैं. एम्पायर्स बनते बिगड़ते रहे और व्हाट इन्वेंशंस दे मेड, geographical area overlapped and there was overlapping of geographical area and time period also overlapped. Time period and geographical area both overlapped. Sumerians एग्रीकल्चरलिस्ट थे, फाइन एग्रीकल्चरलिस्ट थे. और अब हम काफ़ी ये बात डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि अगर एग्रीकल्चर बहुत अच्छा होगा तो क्या होगा. इफ द एग्रीकल्चर इज वेरी गुड देन व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट इट विल लीड टू. यस, व्हाट इट विल लीड टू.
So economy of the nation.
Economy will be prosperous and diversification of economy will take place. Why diversification of economy takes place? Because if we have disposable income, then diversification of economy takes place. So agriculturists बहुत अच्छे थे और why the agriculture was so good? Yes. Why the agriculture was so good? Because of these
So soil condition and water availability are good.
Yes, water availability. Three factors we discussed in the last class. Water availability, stability of climate.
Fertile soil.
Yes, fertile soil and stability of climate. Three main factors. And to top it all, the genius of these people. They were very intelligent people. They were inventors. The genius of they invented new technologies. They invented new ways of, they refined former ways and they invented new ways of doing agriculture. And then the civilization came. Actually, civilization came in this period. And sometimes you can say that urbanization and civilization, the rise of cities was there. As we discussed, rise of cities. Uruk, Nivene, there were many cities. Akkad, as we have discussed, that urban comes from Ur. The urban word itself comes from Ur or Uruk. There is a dispute about Ur was first, Uruk was first. So, इसमें भी यही है कि ओवरलैप किया हो. Okay. So, rise of cities was there. And one other thing was that there, that is very logical. centrality of market and centrality of market and centrality of, yes, guess what would have been taken place? Centrality of market and centrality of
Settlements.
yes, Khushbu.
So settlement.
Centrality of settlement, yes, and mind you, that was the age of empires. The empires में क्या होगा सब? Very important thing. When the empire will function, yes, yes. Centrality of power, centrality of administration took place. Means the much power was concentrated in one area, of one point, of one individual, right? तभी तो empire बनेगा. If one person or one administration has great power, then the empire will take place. The empire will expand, isn't it? अगर एक center of power नहीं होगा, if there is no one strong center of power, there will be no empire. The prerequisite is the large army, fairly large army, in the control of one person or one administration. Yes, isn't it? Yes. Yes, Khushbu. You were saying something. Yes. I think your voice is not coming. So, centrality of administration took place, was there, and centrality of administration leads to power, army, strong army, and then it led to empire. The empire बनते बिगड़ते रहे. In this period, it was the age of inventions and age of empire building. Empires बनते बिगड़ते रहे. Okay, and it was the period when the architectural marvel was there. Babel, Tower of Babel and Hanging Gardens of Babylonia were there, and there are many, and the ziggurats were also there, and many buildings are still there. And it was the period, one great thing was there, codification of law was there. As we have discussed in the last class, codification of law was there in this period. Codification of law means, yes, yes, Altaf. Codification of law means, yes.
So laws in printed forms.
Printed
Texted
means not written.
forms.
Print
Yes,
was,
sir,
yes,
written.
print was not there, and so we have discussed that the script was invented in this period also. Cuneiform script was there, and means invention of writing was there, and where they were written in clay tablets. So there is much record of business transaction, codification, decrees. So codification of Hammurabi was the first code, though it is very infamous. We will discuss about a little later. So codification of law was there, astronomy was there, and base 60 system they were base 60. Base 60 means 60 seconds minute, 60 minute hour. And you can divide this period into in another perspective on the use of the predominant material. There was pre-pottery Neolithic age. Pottery was invented in this period also. Pre-pottery Neolithic age. First, the pre-pottery, the age. And Neolithic age is famous for, yes, Neolithic age किस लिए जानी जाती है? Yes, Hatim. What is Neolithic revolution? Yes. It is the agricultural age. Agriculture was invented in that period. So Neolithic age was there, pre-pottery Neolithic age, and then the pottery Neolithic, when the pottery was invented. What is the pottery? Yes. Pottery is? Yes. Yes, Manish. What is pottery?
सब मिट्टी से जो सामान बनाते हैं, मिट्टी के
Exactly.
बर्तन वगैरह
So,
बनाना.
what is the implication of this pottery invention? Means pottery जो ज़्यादातर बनी वो इसलिए बनी कि वो अनाज जो बचा हुआ रखा जा सके. बचा हुआ अनाज रखने का मतलब you have disposable income. तो diversification of economy took place. And उस मिट्टी से, in fact, you can see some similarities between Indus Valley civilization and, though Indus Valley civilization came later, but you can see some similarities between Indus Valley civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. And mind it, we are amalgamating three civilizations: Sumerians, Babylonians, and Assyrians, and one was also in the later Chaldean civilization. इन तीनों चारों को मिला के हम मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन कहते हैं. ओके, तो देयर वर सम सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. एंड समटाइम्स फॉर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम Mesopotamian and Indus Valley civilization coexisted, and there are some evidences that there were some traits between Mesopotamian civilization and Indus Valley civilization. So, and codification of law was there, and the strict adherence to law was there. Strict adheration to law was there. Law, or okay, we were talking about the ages. Then after the pottery age, then came the copper age. Copper was invented and used, and then then bronze was invented, and actually bronze was the result of some very advanced technical knowledge. And then late bronze age, and then what was invented? Yes, what was invented? Iron. The Iron Age came, because after the iron was invented, and Iron Age, the technological progress was there in modern world also, and in the, so iron they have invented also. Iron Age आ गया था. Okay, तो आयरन ने बहुत फ़ायदा किया इन्वेंट्री में, weaponry में, machines, some simple machines were invented. Okay, so the it's the history. And when it was decline, Mesopotamian civilization started to decline when the Iranian king Darius attacked the and Sargon attacked, and in the end, when the Alexander attacked and Alexander attacked and subjugated the, and then he destroyed the culture, existing culture, and imposed the Greek culture on that. So that was the decline of Mesopotamian civilization, though it is around from 4500 BC to 2500 BC. Actually, after 2500 BC, it started to decline. Decay was there. The end was around 330 BC, though all historians don't agree on that. So that is the some brief history of Mesopotamian civilization.